Hey guys, this is Miss Regine from SOAR Educational Services, and today we are going to practice long division with polynomials. If we are asked to divide polynomials to see if 7 is a factor of this polynomial, what we need to do is to follow the steps of regular division. All right, so what we would do is ask ourselves, well, how many times can y divide y squared? Well, y can divide y squared y times. Y times y is y squared. Now, the only step that is different with this division is that there's another term and you would need to multiply it too. Negative 7 minus y is negative 7y, and we subtract. These cancel, and we have negative 3. 2 negative makes a positive, so that's plus negative 3 plus 7 is 4y. All right, and just like regular division, we bring down our next value. Y divide 4 times. Y times 4 is 4y. Negative 7 times 4 is negative 28. All right, and then we subtract. And negative 20 plus 28 is 8. So this is our answer. Y plus 4 with the remainder of 8 over y minus 7. So if you were just asked to do long division, that would be your answer. If they were asking you is 7 a factor, it is not because we have a remainder of 8. All right, let's try another one. All right, so it was m cubed minus 12m squared plus 33m. All right, so let's see about this one. All right, so m divides m cubed 2 times, m squared time actually. So m squared time. M times m squared is m cubed. And one of the things how we're going to know this is that we actually want these to cancel out. So that's the other way to know that. And then we multiply this term by the quotient up here. Negative 5 times m squared is minus 5m squared. Negative 12 plus 5 is negative 7m squared. And we bring down our next term plus 33m. All right. So now m goes into this 7 minus 7 times, minus 7m times, sorry. Negative 7 times negative 7 is negative 7m squared. I'm sorry, m times negative 7 is negative 7m squared. And negative 5 times negative 7 is positive 35m. And we're subtracting. These cancel. 33 minus 35m is negative 2m. We don't have anything else, but we can add a 0. M divides negative 2m, negative 2 times. Negative 2 times m is negative 2m. Negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10. We subtract, and we are left with negative 10. That's our remainder. So your final answer can be written like this. Again, this is not a factor. Positive 5 is not a factor of this number. All right, and let's try one last one. So this one, in the original equation, you're not going to see the 0x squared, but the x squared term was missing. So I put a 0x squared here. All right, to make sure that everything is going in descending order. All right, x goes into 2x cubed, 2x squared time. X times 2x cubed is 2x cubed 3 times 6 is 6x squared. All right, we subtract, and that's negative 6x squared. X times negative 6x squared is negative 6x. X times negative 6x squared is negative 6x squared. 3 times, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. Just like regular division, you got to bring this down. All right, 3 times negative 6 is minus 18x. And we subtract, these cancel, and that's 4x. And now we're going to bring down our next term, plus 10. X divides 4x 4 times. X times 4 is 4x. 3 times 10 is 12. Let's subtract. Oh, that cancels. We usually just show that it cancels. 10 minus 2 is negative 2. And this is how we can write our final answer. All right, so none of these problems were actual factors, but it was just to show you the steps of long division. All right, I hope this was helpful. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.